Wise, always revise. You know, exams are coming very, very fast. We are also very fast through Wise Always Revise revision batches starting from December 25th onwards for 9, 10 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2. Simple way to enroll is just WhatsApp 98141219 and the class will be on the Google Meet, right? Whatever is convenient, Google Meet or Zoom. So, enroll. What are you looking at me? Come on, WhatsApp me. And said, yes, sir, I am going to join your revision batches. Thank you. And you are at home, safe. No COVID. Nothing else. Just in your study room, I am coming. Hey, I'm very fond of coffee. Bana ke rakhna. Acha. So, 25th onwards, we are meeting. Bye-bye. Thank you.